Everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy. With this thought, I welcome you all in my class. Let's start today's topic, that is articles. And with that, we'll be doing determiners. Now, first we have omission of articles. We have already done uses of a, n, and the. Now, omission of articles. That is where we can omit these articles. First point here, before names of substances and abstract nouns used in a general sense. Here the example, sugar is sweet. This is the name of a substance, material noun. So before that, we don't have any article. Next one, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Beauty is abstract noun. So here also before this word, we don't have any article because they are indicating general sense. Okay. Second point, before most proper nouns such as names of people, names of continents, countries, cities. Before these things, we don't use any article. See this example, first one. India is densely populated. Before India, we don't have any article. Don't use any article before the name of the countries. China has progressed well. Before China, no article given there. But if you use common noun like states or union or united, the names of the countries, if these words are coming, that time you have to use the, like the United States of America, United Kingdom. So there we are using the, but before these names, India, China, and like this other countries, there you don't have to use any article, right? Now, third point, before names of meals used in a general sense. So when we are talking about these things, general, as general thing, there we will not write any article. Dinner, name of meal, has been served. So before dinner, because it's a general thing here, so we are not using any article. Breakfast is ready. Here we are talking as a general sense here. So here, no article before breakfast. Okay. Let's see this fourth point. Before languages, like English, French, here it's example given there. Miss Sen teaches English. So here, before the name of language, we are not using any article. Next point, before names of relations, like father, mother, brother, sister, like this, will not use any article. See the sentence, father has gone to play golf. So before father, we are not using any article. Sixth point, when a noun is used in a general sense. We are talking as a general thing, there will not use any article. Now here, deer is a noun here, but we are talking as general here. So deer are timid animals. So before deer, we are not using any article. If we're talking of the class, that time you have to use article there. But in general sense, don't use any article before these nouns. Next point, with plural nouns, when they denote a class, children have impressionable minds. Children, talking about full class of children, that full group. So here, this is a plural noun. So before that, we are not using any article. Next point, with names of days, months, and seasons, will not use any article. See this example, Monday is the first working day of the week. So before this Monday, we are not writing any article. Ninth point, in notices, headlines, or email messages. Like this, Chief Minister meets delegates from China. So here it's a news headline. So we are not using the here. In bracket, the meaning is given there. The chief minister has met the delegates from China. So there we have the, but here it's like a news headline. So no article before chief minister. Now with this, we have some exceptions. Now let's see what are these. First point, some uncountable nouns take the when used in particular sense. When we are talking in a general sense, we don't use any article. But when used in a particular sense, we use the there. See this example. A, where did you keep the sugar I bought yesterday? In the above points, we read that before the name of substances or material nouns, we don't use article. But here, before sugar, we are using the. Why? Because this sugar has become the particular one which was bought yesterday. That specific one. So we are using the article the here. So we have the sentence, where did you keep the sugar I bought yesterday? So it is used in a particular sense. The speaker is asking about the particular sugar bought the day before. Hence, the is used before sugar. Okay. Now this next example, the beauty of Cinderella attracted the prince. Now this is abstract noun, beauty. We don't use article before abstract nouns. But here we are talking about beauty of Cinderella. It has become particular. We are using this word beauty in a particular sense, that is particular, related with Cinderella attracted the prince. That's why before beauty, we are using the. The sentence talks about the beauty of Cinderella in particular. Hence, the is used before beauty. So when it has become particular thing, there we write the. When they are used in a particular sense, we use article. When they are used in general sense, we don't use any article. Okay. Next point now. Proper names can be used with articles the if we want to attach a special meaning to them. We have read that before. Proper nouns, we don't use any article, right? Now see this sentence. It's an exception here. Rajnikant is the Amitabh Bachchan of the southern film industry. Proper nouns, we have here Rajnikant and Amitabh Bachchan, right? Proper nouns, a name of particular person, some specific person. So before Rajnikant, we are not using any article. It's a proper noun. But with Amitabh Bachchan, we are using article the. Why? Because we are giving special importance to this person. Amitabh Bachchan stands for an actor who is very popular. So this way we are giving too much of importance or special importance to this person, Amitabh Bachchan. That's why we are writing the Amitabh Bachchan. This way, or in this sense, we can use article the with proper nouns. Next point, a or an is used when an adjective is used before breakfast, lunch, dinner. We have read in omission of the articles that when we are talking of meals, names of meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner, we don't use any article. But this is an exception. How? See the sentence. Jyoti had an early supper, so she is feeling hungry. Supper is also name of a meal. And before supper, we have this word early, and early is an adjective here. So when you have adjectives with breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you have to use article a or n. So we have an early supper, right? Next one. The is used when we specify, when we are using it in a particular sense. How? The dinner we had at your place was delicious. That means we are talking about a particular dinner, a specific dinner that we had at his place or this place. So it has become particular one. So we are using the dinner. In this sense, we'll not write only dinner we had at your place. That is wrong. So before dinner, in this sense, you have to use the. The dinner we had at your place was delicious. So when you are using these nouns in a particular sense, you have to write articles there. And when you are using them in general sense, use no article. Articles are omitted there. Okay. Now, next one. Article the is never used with the following phrases. So here we have phrases, but in these phrases, we don't use article the. Is the list of the phrases given. To make use of. Will not write to make the use of. That is wrong. From head to foot. Will not write from the head to the foot. That is wrong. By chance, no article the, by the chance, that is wrong. Like this is the list. To take part in, to lose heart, to pay attention to, by mistake, day by day, at home. In such phrases, we will not write article the. Okay, now next thing, we have exercises here. First exercise, use appropriate articles wherever necessary. Put X wherever they are not required. I'm starting with this exercise. Answers are not visible properly, so I'm speaking the answers. You listen carefully. It took almost dash hour for us to reach home. R is given there. Vowel sound, so we'll write NR. Next, I was taught dash French. Now French here is language. So before that, we will not write any article. So put a cross. By a French lady. Third one. English is my favorite subject. It's language here. So will not write any article. Put a cross there. Next, Dash brother came on his bicycle to meet me at the park. Now here, relation given there. So we'll not use any article. Put a cross there. Next one, fifth. On my way, I met a European. E is vowel, but sound U is a consonant sound. So we are using a European and an American. Sixth sentence. Dash patience is dash virtue. Now patience is an abstract noun. So we'll not use any article. So put a cross there. Your answer is patience is a virtue. Now, seventh sentence. Please give me dash salt from the yellow packet. Now this salt has become the particular one. Which one? From the yellow packet. So we will use article the there. So your answer is, please give me the salt from the yellow packet. Eighth sentence. I invited him for dash dinner. Now, name of meal is given there, dinner, and used in general sense. So, no article. Put a cross there. Okay. Ninth sentence. Dash sun rises in dash east. So, with unique kind of things like sun, we use the article the. So, first blank, the sun rises in. With directions also, we use the article the. So your answer is, the sun rises in the east. Okay. 10th sentence now. Draw dash map of dash India. Your answer is, draw the map of India. Before India, put a cross there. No article will be used. Now, 11th sentence. Tagore is dash only Indian to have won dash Nobel Prize in Literature. Your answer, Tagore is the only Indian to have won the Nobel Prize in Literature. Name of prizes, we have to use the there. 12th sentence. John was selected as dash best performer of the year. Now best is given there. This is superlative degree. So we'll use the. 13th. Teacher taught us dash 4th chapter today. We have read that with ordinals or ordinal numbers, we use the article the. So we have the 4th chapter today. 14th. Dash beauty of the girl fascinated everyone. Beauty is abstract noun. We don't use article before abstract nouns. But here in this sentence, beauty is used in a particular sense. How? Beauty of the particular girl here. So in this sense, we'll use the before beauty. So your answer is the beauty of the girl fascinated everyone. 15th sentence. New Delhi is dash very costly place to live in. Your answer is New Delhi is a very costly place to live in. Now, one more exercise there. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles wherever required. First one, I learned dash French in dash school. I learned French in school. So before French, name of language, put a cross there. Before school, there also put a cross. Second sentence. Dash moon was shining brightly. Moon, unique thing. So before that, we have article the. The moon was shining brightly. Third sentence. There was not dash star in dash sky yesterday. So we are talking about one star single. So we'll write here a star in the sky yesterday. Fourth sentence. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory. Union, vowel U is there, but sound is U. This is a consonant sound. So you have to use a union territory. Next one. Dash movie we saw last week was interesting. So here movie is the particular one which was seen last week. So we'll write the movie we saw last week was interesting. Sixth sentence. My father gave me a book to read. Here can be any book. No particular book is given here. So you've written a book to read. Next one. Dash intelligence of dash princess made everyone speechless. This is abstract noun here, but used in a particular sense of the princess. So here, the intelligence of the princess made everyone speechless. Eighth sentence. I regularly read dash Times of India. It's a name of the newspaper. So we'll write article the. I regularly read the Times of India. Okay, I hope you have understood use of these articles a, n, and the. We have practiced so many exercises also. Now we have other determiners. In the starting, I told you these all are determiners. Articles is also part of determiners. And we have other determiners here. First, we have here demonstratives. Demonstratives are words like this, that, these, and those, which point out to persons or objects close by or at a distance. So these are pointing words. This, that, these, those. They point out something. That's why they are known as demonstratives. This is used for singular noun, that also for singular noun. These and those for plural nouns. Another thing, this and these are used for those things which are close to you. And you have to use that and those for those nouns or things which are at a distance, far away from you. Okay, here we have examples. This chair is not polished well. So this word is pointing out this chair. So this word is known as demonstrative. Sentence B. That hill has big rocks and a waterfall. So this word that is pointing out this noun hill. So that is a demonstrative. Okay. Now after this we have this exercise related to demonstratives only. Fill in the blanks with appropriate demonstratives. First one, dash book belongs to Jane. You can write here, this book belongs to Jane. You can write that also. It depends on the meaning, how you are taking the meaning of this sentence. If this book is close to you, that means this. If this book is far away, then you can write that. My school is beside that park. Third one, the exhibition of my paintings will be held at this hall. Fourth sentence, I am going back to London this weekend. So before weekend, write down this. Next one, dash pencil box is mine. Your answer, this pencil box is mine. You can write that pencil box is mine. Again, the same thing depends on the meaning. If you think pencil box is close to you, then write this, or at a distance, then write that. Next one, dash books on the table belong to the teacher. So here, books plural. So you can write here, those books on the table belong to the teacher. Next sentence, Dash stars are actually millions of miles away. The stars, plural here. So you will write those stars because they are far away from us. So those stars are actually millions of miles away. Next, he will take dash documents with him. So documents plural here, we'll write here, he will take these documents with him. Okay. So this is the exercise related with demonstratives. Now after that, we have other determiners also, but I'll take them tomorrow. Okay. I hope you have understood omission of articles and demonstratives. Remaining, I'll take tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you all.